Hello. Been a while since I posted a video. It's December and I just came to do some stuff on the property. This is the solar system. So we got 99% battery. The sun's going down, it's about 4:30, so I'm not getting anything off the panels right now, but I had to do some maintenance here. This is the battery box. There's 12 of these batteries, and once a month I got to open these things up and check the water level in there, make sure it's covering the plates, and then I have to use this nifty little device to test the gravity, because it's basically sulfuric acid in there. And so I went through and I did it all, 12. Keep a log of the results there. So each battery has an A and a B, and all through 12, and I note down the gravities. It's mostly for warranty purposes, and whoops, if the batteries begin to fail, then at least I have a record that they're being maintained. That's my little LED light. So oh, sorry. Okay, let's put this. Kind of hard to see what you're doing. The light is on your face. Yeah, so the battery box has a foam insulation, foam board surrounding it. Well, there's the top, anyways, and the company that installed it built this box for us. There's the roof. There's the top of the box. That's an exhaust because of off-gassing, which is required by law to send it outside. That's the inverter. And that's our little fuse panel. Yeah, so this is what we do once a month. I'm gonna grab my stuff here. Unplug this light now. Okay, I'm gonna head outside. Lock the door. Sorry, not much of a cameraman. And here's the property, covered in snow. Started a new wood pile, but it's slow going now, so that will take time. Soren's in the truck waiting for me. It's around -10. It's not that bad, as long as you keep working. There's the solar panels. I brushed them off, but there's a layer of ice on them. So they are generating some electricity. But anyways, the animals are at our friend's farm in a barn, nice and safe. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so our log cabin kit arrived November 10th, and then November 11th was a nice freezing rainstorm, and we've had snow on the ground ever since. So I come up here a few times a week to maintain, push the snow. There's the bundles of the log cabin kit. I believe there's 14 of them. They got dropped off. Better late than never, right? There's kind of what some of them look like. It's really a shame that I can't get this started now, but things happen for a reason. I'm learning more and more. Whew. Fingers are getting numb. So there's the Quonset. It actually does make quite a difference in the temperature. It is nice in there. Still chilly, but not as chilly as being outside. So not much good light here. The sun, when it goes down fast. There's the machine I use to clear the snow. It works really well. But you gotta stay on top of it here because once it accumulates, that thing is only so good, or to a point. Just before winter hit, installed this post here. There's our camera system. It's recording video. And hydro line there. Yeah. So ran the line across there. So that's it. I'm going now. Lisa's probably gonna start worrying about us, but in any event, hard to believe it's December. Okay, that's it for today.